How to answer calls with swipe or a tap on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the phone application. Next, tap on the more button. And from the pop-up, tap on settings. Now in call settings, we scroll down and tap on answering and ending calls. And here is a new feature, gesture to answer calls. Tap on it, and from the pop-up you could choose swipe or tap. So select one of the available options. So if you select tap, and here when you have an incoming call, all you have to do is simply tap on the answer or the decline button to answer the call or decline the call. So if you choose tap, you no longer need to swipe across to answer or reject the call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.